Runner goes. Pitch is not in there. It's a ball. And east side down the left field line. 1-2 pitch from Will loaded. He does as he lines one into center field. DiTomaso's not going to get it. It falls in front of him. 2 runs are going to come home to score as Maso. Pitch.
Gonzalez off at third. Skinner will be able to go, and Gonzalez will be able to come home to score here on the wild pitch. Raza deals his 1-2. Curve. Pitch is hit in the air to right field. Coming on, it's Corral Paz. This should do it, and it does.
It's this one to the right side. It'll get through into right field. Travis Holt has an opportunity to get an RBI.